She is 14 years old, Karuna Chepang. She is from marginalized area located in Chitwan district of central Nepal. She and her family are inhabiting in Mahabharat mountain range of central Nepal. Karuna has got very small hut to stay, and total 8 members of her family are very hardly adjusting in one room of that hut. It is indeed devastating and heartbreaking the way they are living in a small hut. Chepangs have begun to slowly shift from a semi-nomadic lifestyle to a more settled way of life. They have been included as marginalized group of Nepal. The severe topography, however, has made permanent farming difficult. The majority of Chepang's community are facing same hardships and challenges as Karuna and her family. Karuna's sister, Nomina Chepang, who is 12 years old, was busy to cook wild yams and tubers when we reached to her house. At the same time, Karuna's 10 years old brother, Roshan Chepang, 8 years old sister, Arpana Chepang, 6 years old brother, Ramesh Chepang, and 5 years old brother, Pramesh Chepang, were at home. Karuna's mother, who never saw school, got married at the age of 15. Exactly after 1 year of marriage, her mother gave birth her eldest daughter, is Karuna Chepang. After birth of Karuna, she has given birth to another 5 children, and she is just 30 years old now. But Karuna's mother, after all hardships and terrible lifestyle so far, she seems like over 50 years of age. Karuna's father, Gom Bahadur Chepang, was working in another district as laborer to look after his family. Due to lockdown rules in Nepal, Gom Bahadur is jobless at the moment, and his family is in painful and critical situation. With increasing population, lack of arable land, and few irrigation options, malnutrition has been a historic problem for the Chepang despite forest supplements. It almost takes 4 hours to reach Karuna's house by walking. There is no transport system. The hut where they were staying until 2019 was totally damaged due to fire, and as a result, they have been compelled to leave another hut with severe difficulties. Karuna had lost her toes and ankle of right leg when she was 2 years old due to fire. After 8 months of recovery, she started to walk. The president and coordinator of Gaonbesi Chepang Protection Center, KP Kiran Sharma, has been provided free residential and educational facilities to Karuna, but her other 5 younger brothers and sisters have not gone to school due to severe economic status. Karuna's mother, Vishnumaya Chepang, has given birth to 6 children during 10 years, and she is keen to provide education to all of them. But that dream is not going to come true due to present her situation. They want to stay in proper and adjustable house, but their severe circumstances are not letting them to build new house. They don't have their property on their name, and even they don't have cultivated lands to grow vegetables and other food items. They have been forced to involve in some work seasonally to earn money, but due to coronavirus pandemic, they are compelled to stay at home doing nothing, which has piled further misery on them. Karuna has daily schedule to collect fodder, firewood, and other essential things from nearby forests to ease their life. But her physical condition is something to be cared about by herself and parents. Her family is totally rely on rainy water to grow crops, but sadly, they are not having expected quantities of crops to eat. The Chepang have often been characterized as the poorest of Nepal's poor. Majority of Chepangs are going through harsh and painful situation as Karuna and her family. Kinderhelp German Nepal, on the behalf of Heike Kunze and Ram Pratap Thapa, had provided much-needed relief packages to needy one. Karuna's family is the poorest family among Chepangs in Sodarang. In all types of seasons, they are dwelling with so many challenges and hardships. It is totally unfair, the way they are coping with at the moment. We really hope and expect that the current harsh situation will turn around into better one with rays of hopes to them. Capable and interested people can help them at hard time, as we all are for each other. Let's feel others' pains as our own. And let's all be united to change lifestyle of Chepangs. Best wishes to beloved Chepangs.